Okay, so now let's go ahead and create the action and the bomb, or the action and the events for the bomb. So we can just close the sprites up and let's go to bomb and add an event. And when a bomb is created, we want it to move in different directions. Right? Just don't put the middle one. And let's do the speed of, let's say, 5. Hit OK. And when the bomb hits the wall, we actually want it to just collide with it and bounce off it. So let's go to add event. Let's go collision with the wall, and we want it to bounce. Drag that in, and you can just put precisely and hit OK. Now we have the create event and collision with the wall event. Now what we want to do is we want to add an event, and we want to go to mouse, and we want to go left button. Go ahead and click left button. Now the left button is if when we click on the bomb, we want to destroy the instance. So let's go to destroy the instance. And which instance do we want to destroy? We want to destroy the bomb, which we currently have selected. So go ahead and hit OK. And then we also want to add something to make it change from one room to the next if there are no more bombs left in the room. So if you take a look, test instance count, if I drag that in and say if, go ahead and click right here and go to bomb, if there are no more bombs or they're equal to 0, right, what we want to do is, so if that happens, if the bomb count gets to 0, we want to add a bracket or a block, and we want to put, let's go down to, we want to put, if this happens, right, we want to check for the next room, okay, and then go back and add a block. So if the bomb count gets to 0, it's going to check for the next room. All right. Actually, let me do this. Let's go ahead and cut that away for now, and let's do this. If the bomb count gets to 0, let's start it with a block. We want it to check for a room, right? So check to see if we're in 0 or 1 right here, we want to make sure that it goes on to the next room, okay? And let's put, actually let's put another check inside there, another block up, start of the block. And let's go to, if there is a next room, let's go to the next room, which is the next room. All right? And don't worry about transitions. And let's go ahead and cut that block off. But if it does not exist, if there's no other room, if you're on room 2, if you get to all the way to 0 bombs, we need to end the game, right? Because you have won. So let's go to that, and let's go to display message, you win, and let's end the game. And from here we can add the end block. Okay, so it should look like this. Now let's test it out. Okay, and actually we need to add bombs to the room before we can test it out, and we'll do that in next video.